With allergy season now officially here, I was once told that when you sneeze, your germs travel at 100 miles an hour and can go as far as 30 feet. Can that be true? Where do you go to find the answer to such a technical question? Well, Discovery Channel's MythBusters, of course. First thing I learned, for future reference, is that the technical term for a sneeze is an involuntary respiratory convulsion. Jamie and Adam from MythBusters actually conducted an experiment to see for themselves if the 100-mile-per-hour sneeze was possible or not. They started out by each sniffing some snuff to muster up a strong sneeze. Then they stood in front of their ultra-high-speed camera, and then they let loose. And their findings? Well, your typical sneeze is nowhere near 100 miles per hour. Adam's sneeze traveled at 35 miles per hour. Jamie's traveled at 39 miles an hour. And as far as distance is concerned, neither one broke the 20-foot mark. Adam's phlegm landed 17 feet away. Jamie's 13 feet away. So, based on what the guys from MythBusters determined, no, your sneeze does not travel at 100 miles an hour and does not travel 30 feet. So now you know.
I don't usually get